everybody, welcome back. My name is Brent. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to None the Wiser. And if you're returning, don't be confused. It's alright. Live free and tool on will still live on in our hearts, and we're not changing much, but we're adding a lot to it. But this is the first episode of None the Wiser. And with that being said, we are going to become a little bit more wiser about this right here. This is the Warsun X609, and you have dual beams here. You have a beam on the back. You've got a belt clip or whatever you want to clip it on right there. You've got just about everything that you could really ask for. And then if we open it up right here, can we get a focus in on that right there? We actually have, can we get a focus? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to focus here. We getting that? There we go. Right there. It's hard to see, but there's a USB-C and a USB-A. Now, USB-A, that's actually going to be charging your phones from here. So you can charge these right here from this right here, which is really cool. I haven't had another flashlight, a pocket flashlight, really do that, but this, it does. Now, this, if you take a look, it is solid aluminum, and it's milled aluminum, and there's a lot of bolts and things around it, as you can see, and it just is super robust. Has a great battery. It's going to last like 5-6 hours on, I think it's medium or low, maybe high. Now the cool thing about this, why did I even choose this? Well, I chose this light right here because it's 3,000 lumens. Now it does have a 1/4-20 right on the bottom. You can see right here. That's actually really nice to see. And whenever you take a look at that, what does that mean? You're going to be able to mount it. You're going to be able to do a few things like that. It's convenient to have if you really need it to. Now, if you're going to press this button here, long hold 3 seconds, it's going to bring on the backlight right here. Now, it's kind of interesting that the backlight is there when your clip is here. You figure you want to clip this onto your jacket, then this light will come in on the opposite side. Haven't really figured that out, but that's okay because the performance of this, I don't know, like a beam to heaven. Actually, it's not even the biggest one. I did a little bit of research. There is one a little bit bigger, and it says it's 10,000 lumens. I'd love to try that out. So I don't know, Warsun. If you want to send that to me, I would be happy to check that out. I would love to see how that performs, but with 3,000 lumens. This is it's not that small. I would say this is a S24 Ultra. You can see the difference. It is quite a bit smaller than a phone, maybe a regular iPhone. It's thicker, so it's going to be able to go into your bag. It's not going to be huge. It's going to last the test of time. If you need to chuck it at someone, it has a really good lanyard. The build quality is super good. Has a lot of good features about it, and it has a lot of grips on it too. So a lot of good milling coming through here. A lot of good polish, and it has a really nice black powder coat onto it. And I do got to say, I really do like it. As you can see, the brightness was pretty phenomenal. So 3,000 lumens, very, very invited, very welcomed into my everyday carry. So I'm going to keep everyone up to date on what does that look like, because this right here, it's incredible, just the price as well. So this, for 3,000 lumens aluminum, it's milled, it's tough, it's robust, 39 bucks. Yeah, that's it. It's only $39. Even if you get to 10,000, it's only like 60 bucks. Not even a big deal. Anyways, I wanted to share this with you. I was very excited about this light. Just everything about it screams tough, and we need tough tools because we do tough jobs. Anyways, my name is Brent. I hope that you got something out of this. You learned a little bit more. I'm going to post a link down in the bottom so you can go check it out yourself and, you know, look at some other videos. Tell me what you think about it, and we will all be a little bit wiser and in the know, and then we can pass on the things that we learn to the next generation. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Take care.